Let's do this.
Brom here again, your favourite roving reporter, still in Dubbo, and I've come to the IronKnuckles custom and fabrication shop here in Dubbo, and it's fantastic. It's full of really cool stuff. The boys are getting ready to move their stuff over to Dubbo Motorfest, which is starting this weekend. So they're in a bit of disarray. I've called in to say good day, but they've said that I can have a quick run through the shop and see what they do. And they do some cool stuff.
6, 5, 4. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Let's do this.
Broms Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
They supply all this sort of stuff, make these front ends, very cool. But the biggest part of the business, I suppose, is doing all this. They panel beat and paint and restore and all these classic cars. So let's go and have a quick look around. Of course, the old Fairlane, isn't that fantastic? This is in for just a tidy up. It's not a full job they've done. What have we got here? Chevy.
Sorry?
A Chevy.
Plymouth.
Oh, it's a Plymouth. Oh, yeah, same
Fury.
sort of shape, isn't it? Plymouth Fury.
64 Plymouth Fury.
Well, this is Rick, everyone. Say good day, Rick.
No, I'm Callum.
Oh, you're Callum. There you go. Typical, man. And this is Henry, right?
Yeah, yep.
Oh, good on you, mate. Thanks for letting us come through, mate. Good on you. This is great. And so this is just the start of a big project, is it?
Yeah, basically.
In being assessed mostly at the moment. Planning the build.
Right.
Yeah, planning the engine combination.
Wow, I dig the flares someone's built in the 70s. They're fantastic, aren't they?
Yeah, we're actually going to keep. We're going to remove those flares, but we're going to
try and back something.
Yeah, he did ask to keep the flare because it was, sentimental from his time driving.
Yeah,
the car.
right.
So we're going to build a flare, but we're going to try and build it
A bit more tasteful.
bit more tasteful, as if factory might have had a wide flare on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Little less bulk.
Little less
bulk, yeah.
Maybe something with that nice shape still in it that marries up to the car again. Yeah, but that's going to be a cool thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see the Plymouth badge there now, yeah. Very cool.
Not many Furies get
That's
around.
proper patina, that, isn't it?
Matte black rattle can.
Is it going to be matte black, is it?
It's a toss up between matte and gloss. I reckon we're going to try and steer in gloss, but
68 Mustang.
Yeah, 67 Mustang.
67, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I can tell by the flutes on the side now. They're almost can't tell them apart other than that, the flutes on the side.
Pretty much the same car otherwise. This is a personal project. Not much more than a restoration, nothing too crazy.
They're a cool shape, aren't they?
Yeah, we're just going to get the body nice and straight on it. And
Yeah, it's a cool thing. I had one of them. I wished it never got away, but it's one of those, isn't it?
Yeah, cool car. Yeah.
Yeah. And an FJ Holden.
yeah,
Bit of an upgrade on the engine there.
Yeah, so we're adapting the Harriet blower on it.
Isn't that cool?
So it's a bit of work in making it all fit and squeeze in there. And
So what's it running? A 327, is it? What is that?
It's a 5 litre stroke the outside.
Oh, okay.
Or whatever it is.
Wow, it's a cool looking thing, isn't it?
And you see like the little inside in on the red parts are 3D modelled and printed parts.
Oh,
So we
okay.
get a new balancer made and
Oh, okay, so you
steer
make
properly.
that first and then make sure it all works. And
Yeah, well, it
lines
didn't line
and-
up with the combination that the engine's running, so
Oh, I
we just,
see.
had to make a new one
It's
to
a,
suit the belt
it's
drive.
a whole new world, isn't it?
Yeah,
3D modelling fronts.
yeah.
What they do in the 90s, mate. Just went to the wreckers 100,000 times.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we'll 3D model and design as much as we can to avoid.
Yeah, right. To avoid that exact thing. What colour's that?
It's a Holden green that, I don't know what it's called, crushed green or something.
Fantastic. God, my brain doesn't fathom spending this much money on what is just standard Holden, sedan, but it's all coming around. Like, all this stuff's super cool now,
Yeah, very collectible car.
Yeah, very collectible.
HZ frame, this one
Right.
is.
God, they used to be on the side of the road when I was a kid. It's just like, but that's the way. My old man used to say the same shit about 35 Fords and that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's a weld-in HQ IFS by Magnum.
Wow.
So Magnum front and back again.
Beautiful, mate.
Shaped the rails.
Magnificent.
Down to the Enjoying a bit of more 3D modelling and machining with designed ports because they have an oval head.
Wow.
So to match a circle exhaust pipe, we've just made a
That's
plate
amazing.
to do so.
Then you've got a local machinist that knocks it up for you? Or you
We
try
do
and
have a
that here?
local machinist, but we also use outsourced stuff as well.
Wow.
The DOM sheeted the back out, sheeted the tunnel through.
Wow, look at that.
In the process of installing the original feed frames.
Wow, that's such good work.
Yeah, nice clean tubs. You'll notice the tubs on the inside here are boxed in, so there's no inner lip.
Oh, okay.
Nice and clean.
I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but that's fantastic, mate. God, look at that.
Backs all sheeted out. These are
Holy
DOM's
moly.
exhaust. Yeah, so his fuel tank will mount to this. That's also toe points. So if you look down here.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So what's essentially going to be a drag car, is it?
No, it's going to be more of a
Street car?
Let's do this.
Wow, that's some serious work, guys. Yeah.
So it's got an IRS kit in the back of it. We modelled and made the fuel cell and the exhaust and
God, you clever buggers.
Cleaned up the rails and that, and just making a new floor section for the
Wow,
fuel
custom
cell.
arse.
Yeah,
What tail lights are those?
I'm not sure what's in them.
Yeah.
Just some
Yeah, so
Corvette
it was built.
Pontiac?
It was built many years ago, and it's kind of coming in for round 2 to get improvements.
It's going to be a cool looking thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
The old HQ, is it?
Yeah, it's one of our customer build. We're doing the full Magnum suspension under it.
Wow.
They come in with all the panels ripped off it.
Right.
So four of them are sitting on at the moment, but we've gone through big chunk of rough repair and
Wow.
gone through it with re-cutting them.
Yeah, very cool.
So we've done a tasteful mini tub job.
Okay, yeah, you wouldn't pick it really, would you?
Factory beads back in it. And
Yeah, it looks fantastic, guys.
with a nice return lip around the top. So that's good.
Is that your forte, panel beating, is it? Or
Oh,
are you
fabricator.
Yeah.
Cal's the panel beater.
You're the panel beater, mate.
And we've got a couple
Beautiful
of
work, mate.
really good panel beating apprentices in the shop as well. That do
Fantastic.
a good chunk of this sort of stuff.
Little Windsor.
Little 302 Windsor.
Yeah.
I think there's 289 heads on it.
Cool.
It was imported from California 10, 15 years ago.
Is it going to stay left hook?
It is, yeah. This one's for the wife, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, just restoring
Make
it
it
up.
suffer.
Yeah, yeah, driving it.
Fantastic. The old Apache.
The Apache, well, it looks old, but essentially a brand new car.
Wow, look at that.
Magnum suspension, front and back.
God, that's neat.
Yeah. So I think it's a LS3 Higgins heads LSA supercharger.
Far out. It all fits under the bonnet. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I'd love this.
Trying to get a few bits and pieces finished off and drive it down to the show this weekend.
Unreal. I hope it does. I'd love to see that in action.
Yeah, put it up in our stand.
Fantastic. 6.4 supercharged Hemi.
Yeah.
Far out.
I reckon lazy 1100 horsepower.
Wow. That'd pull you along, wouldn't it? Wow, that's magnificent, guys. That's amazing work, mate. So where'd you learn to do all this? You just got into it and...
Start hooking, cutting up cars and modifying them and shit like that, so one thing leads to another.
You look too young to know all this shit.
But yeah, like fully stand the floor, custom rails, a nice flowing cross member that isn't just a bit of RHS with the exhaust cutouts and that's
Right.
the floor is radius back in with the tunnel. It isn't.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? Here you go. It's so good.
Yeah.
IronKnuckles. I understand that.
Rough characters.
That's brilliant. Unreal, guys. Really unreal.
That's its diff.
Well, oh yeah, that's going in there. Fantastic. What colour's that going to be? They come up with a colour with that?
Yeah, it's most likely going to be some kind of orange. Yeah.
Okay.
You see one of the renders on the hoist just there, the black.
Oh yeah.
So that's likely what the car's going to look like, but I think he's on the roof.
Thinking about doing the orange, eh?
Yeah, yep.
What have we got here, mate?
ZL.
ZL.
ZL Fairlane. This very, very. Here you go.
Holy moly. Who did that? You guys knocked that up as well?
The render
Oh,
garage.
the render garage.
Yeah.
Good on you guys. Fantastic.
So that's the concept.
It's going to look good, isn't it?
Far from it, but
Wow. Far from it. Well, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, I reckon. You all right?
Little Toronto restoration.
Yeah, it's going to look at that, eh? So this is looking good though, mate. This is
Yeah, this
fantastic.
one's getting very, very close to paint, and it's got some extensive custom work in it.
Is it? The Cleveland engine in that one, or?
So back to the catwalk. One-off design door cards, 3D
Wow.
printed.
Wow.
So we sent off the files once all the prototyping is done. 3D printed door cards, you see them in place on the other side.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's going to be a very, very custom car.
So you do all that in-house, the 3D printing?
We do 3D printing on a small scale, so
Yeah.
any of our little gadgets and clips,
Yeah.
etc. We design everything in-house, so these were 3D printed by us in sections, and when we were happy with the prototype, we sent the file off to another
Wow.
company to print the large.
And that's the finished product? That's it?
That's it, it gets wrapped and trimmed and done from
Wow,
there.
that's
Yeah.
unreal.
Yeah, so it's AU Falcon inspired. Theme.
Amazing, mate. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Little Holden Red Motor, how good's that?
Yeah, freshly rebuilt. Freshly
I love these things.
Just waiting on the chrome tappet cover.
So that's something I can work on.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
they're nice and easy.
Oh, they're lovely, mate. They're good. They're good fun too.
So this is GDR. It's an ex-highway patrol car, and it's,
Is that right?
Yeah, it's staying as such, so it still has the hole in the roof.
Unreal. I
Gonna have
love
the
that.
gadgets on the inside. The customer has those.
I like the colour.
Yeah, it's Tormina Aqua. Pretty.
It's not something I'd pick off a card, but
Yeah.
in real life it looks great.
Yeah,
mate.
factory colour.
Wow,
just
factory
not
colour.
just not very common.
Not very common.
So it's getting very close to turnkey.
Wow, it's a good looking thing.
Yeah, yep.
That colour really does do it justice. I
It's
like
a great
it.
colour,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
What's this? It's not a Monaro, is it? It is. Wow.
HK.
Wow, that's a nice colour too. God. Wow, that's fantastic. Wow, super cool, mate.
This one's just in hibernation, waiting for a few parts, but
Wow.
yeah, got pretty extensive with the bodywork, and it's been flow coated. The stripes are under the paint. It's going to be a really, really nice car.
So you displayed this last year, is that right?
I don't think it was last year. I think it might have been the year before.
Oh, okay, it's still on there. They're advertising that. So,
Yeah. So we're set to get back into this pretty soon.
wow, that's a trick idea, isn't it?
Yeah, really. It's just the customer wanted a wagon or a panel van Mustang as if it was from factory. So all of our work's been trying to replicate what we think the factory might have done.
Right.
So full foldable tailgate.
I've seen one made up as a ute, I think, or something,
There's
maybe.
a ute in Australia.
Yeah, right.
So we split the tail lights. Obviously, they used to be.
Oh,
one
what a
piece.
great idea.
So we'll keep the indicators on the body.
Yeah, and they're in
with
the same spot.
Same with the bumperette. The bumperette will stay there.
Okay.
Pull down.
What a great idea, mate.
Yeah. So
That's gonna turn some heads, mate.
Yeah, it's a cool car. Very, very cool.
What's he gonna run? Just like standard running gear, or?
Yeah, it's just going to be as if Ford made a wagon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great idea.
Yeah.
So a little 289 or 302? Or?
Yeah, probably 289, I imagine.
Yeah, right. They're getting hard to find those.
Yeah, they definitely are.
Very cool. Very cool. So how'd you make the rear guard?
So
Is that a rear guard that you've just chopped up?
the quarter skin is actually a convertible quarter skin.
Oh, I see.
A lot of the metalwork you can see is handmade. The turret, as you can see, is split down the middle. It's actually
Right.
off a XR Falcon, I think. So we cut the turret off that, sat it on. It was very close. It was too wide, a bit too far forward, too far back. So we trimmed the front, brought it forward, cut it in the middle, brought it in, and it's actually a nice fit.
Looks fantastic. I love the rake.
Yeah. So we've purposely kept a little bit of a rake to it.
Yeah.
Because it adds the Ford naturally dip.
So once that rake's that way and that's raking that way, it's going to look mean as
Really
hell.
cool.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a bit more of a panel van rather than a wagon, so they're going to be enclosed in.
Oh, okay. I like that idea.
Yeah, we'll do like a recessed panel or something.
Yeah, cool.
It's going to be a very cool car.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I want one.
Yeah.
Could spin lotter.
Yeah. The bag mounts, the watch link, everything.
At the back of the truck, isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
The boys do amazing work. Good on you. Thanks so much, Callum.
No, not a problem.
Much appreciated, mate. I'll go and get you a bag full of goodies so you can have some fun.
And now a word from our sponsor.
Broms Garage Crawl sponsored by Australian Rod and Customs, and they supply some stuff. So every time we do a garage crawl and we catch up with some good-looking people, they give me a hat and some stuff to give away. And so, Callum, there you go, mate.
Thank you very much.
And some Chrome Barber stickers.
Easy.
So thanks heaps for showing me through, mate. It was actually unreal.
No,
Fantastic.
thanks for coming. Yeah.
And all right, we'll see you at the show.
Yeah, easy as.
Stick around. Yeah, well, that's the garage crawl at IronKnuckles. How cool is that? Jeez, there's some nice stuff in there. They're master fabricators, unreal, aren't they? Well, off to Dubbo show. That should be fun. The boys are going to set up there, and looking forward to it. Go over and get my media pass now. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you share and tell all your friends. And make sure you check out the website for Australian Rod and Customs. They're helping me out a big way. So try and give them a shout out, and I hope you guys go and check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.